Here's a list of what needs to get done. Calipers need to get refitted and bled after a recent rebuild. A good clean. Something's not happy in this rear suspension. It developed a bit of a misfire the last time I raced it, and I suspect that it's something to do with the carbs, so these need to come off for a clean and a setup. The front rim needs some paint after a recent straightening job. I've had a bit of a cooling issue on and off, so these radiators need to be looked at. General geometry needs to be looked at as well. I suspect I have the rear too high in this bike.